Okay, we just came to Walmart. We wanted to get a few things, and Steel and Scout are both sleeping. Look what time it is. See, they take these late naps. It is 5:40, and then they are up super late. Cute dresses for $9.88. That is so cute. Don't you think?
Yeah, I like that. But I really like that one.
Yeah, that's cute too.
Well, I like them both.
And that one. Put tacos in the taco piñata. Is that what you want to do? Oh, look at that huge cupcake one. Oh, that is so cool.
It's not that big. No, there's two.
Oh, and Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Paw Patrol. How much are they? How fun.
They're so cool.
Oh my goodness. I want a piñata. No, but she likes to play with it. We'll bring it back. Look, this bear has a little fan and sings a little song, and she loves it.
When you touch it. You ready?
No, it is a plastic thing. Here, look.
Hello. Is he funny? Do you like that? Tell everyone to subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe and start with us.
What are you seeing?
$88.
What is it?
It's like $80.
That's the game you want? Oh, is that the new one?
No, it has Infinite Warfare and has the modern.
That's for mature players only, Storm.
You're not very much.
Mom.
Let me flip it to one.
This is going to be satisfying.
Wait, no. Turn it off, okay? Let me get it all one color, and then.
Well, I bet I can do it first.
I already got it.
That will be satisfying.
Wait, are you getting them?
Here, baby.
Wow.
They don't all flip. See, it's all blue. Mom, but look, you ready? No.
You like it?
Wait,
Mom,
look,
I
Mom.
want it for the 4th of July. You ready?
That's neat.
Look.
Mom, wait, you ready? Mom, this one won't flip. Oh, it does. Mom, Mom, you ready? You ready? Oh, I want it to 4th of July. Mom.
Put that on.
I can't.
A sight mask. What does that mean? That you can see while you have on the mask?
Oh, the eyes move.
Oh, the eyes move?
That's what it says. That's what it says.
It doesn't exactly fit my face.
Try it. Is it comfortable?
It's not comfortable.
And that goes up too.
My face is way too big.
Oh,
I
Scarlett would love these. She loves little babies. You like babies? You want that one?
They look so like chubby.
They're so cute. They're not real squishy for you to hold on to though. Kind of hard.
These ones are.
Oh, are
They're
they?
really squishy.
Oh, their little bodies are. They're so
And they're
cute.
they're pretty small.
You want a baby?
There's a bigger one.
She's like, Mama.
$20.
Oh.
Look at this little baby.
Oh, look at her. Oh, she's never asked for anything.
That was disgusting.
We're looking for the 4th of July Oreos. What were they called again?
They're firecrackers.
Firecracker Oreos. If anyone's gonna have them, it would be Walmart. And I don't see them.
Firecrackers?
Firecracker Oreos, where are you?
Can we get mega stuff?
It actually doesn't even seem like they have very many.
Can we get mega stuff, Mom? Mega
Can you
stuff?
try some of the other kinds? Like, there's peanut
Sure.
Can we get mega
Yeah,
stuff?
take your receipt. I actually want to buy something else because it
Cash is dispensed below this.
took the money like a hungry alligator.
Here, Storm, take your change.
Storm could work at Walmart. Look, they are painting the Target. I think they're about out of their 4th of July stuff.
Hello! Oh, these glasses don't fit.
They'll fall off your face?
Yeah.
I want one of these, but you hate those cups. You hate them.
Well, they're cute. I just don't like to wash them. I don't like to wash straws.
This bracelet or something?
I think it hangs on your door.
Yeah, no, I think it hangs on a bun.
On my bun?
No, it doesn't.
Bun hanger? Oh, look at you. You're so cute. Bubbles.
We do that.
Okay, we have a Starbucks in our Target now.
Mom,
Well, you have to tell me. Oh, you like those glasses?
I have them. They might feel a little loose. Mom, I have them.
Loose? I think they're a little small because
Yeah.
your heel is out. Baby clothes
I have
over
a
there.
Pokeball keychain already. But it's better than this.
Not right now. You already have sunglasses and they're cute as can be. She's shopping. Oh, you're kind of making a mess. Yeah, the ones that have a case. Oh no, Scarlett. Scarlett? Scarlett? How are you so talented? Oh my. Okay, it's time for the camera to go off.
I bought Pokemon for a tin can and Solgaleo thing. It's not here right now. It's in the car. I already can't open it yet. But I'm getting this. I might get like something a little bit bigger. Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. There's my dad. Yeah, I'm gonna see you in a little bit.
Thank you, Starbucks. Thank you for giving me time.
Mom, why are you getting a Pokemon pack?
Oh, I'm not. Storm is spending his own money on that.
Mom's on a hunt. She's on a hunt too. She loves Target. I think she tricked me. She's coming here looking for some Firecracker Oreos, and now I got a cart full of clothes. So she's on a mission.
Mom, look.
It fits, Scout. It even fits backwards.
Mom, look, that's pretty.
Okay, let's put your shirt back on. Now we know we can buy it. Nope, not till we get home. We were just trying it on, okay? You put your
Dad, can we
shirt back
go
on.
look over there?
Over where? What are you?
In my underwear.
In your underwear, yuck.
Dad, look, it scanned my ID card. My Ventureland card from 2014. Ready?
It did?
Want me to do it?
Yeah. What's it say?
This
Item was not recognized. So it did scan it, but it didn't recognize.
Okay, I'll try again. Scan it. Why won't you do it?
It's not recognizing.
Well, this has to
Okay,
be
we're
it.
searching for these Firecracker Oreos, and hopefully in the Happy 4th of July section we were hoping to find them, but we are not having any luck. We have the old original Oreos,
The rich
and the
Oreos.
golden Oreos,
The rich. Hey, we got some.
tiki torches.
Wait, this is called double stuff, and that's. We have another one called like small stuff.
You have money too? Okay, look. Cookies, crackers, our last chance to find the Oreos. We will go down here. Oreos are the first thing, and I see no Firecracker Oreos.
I find them.
You did find Oreos. Those are not the right ones. We are now in Sydney's favorite section. Can you guess? No, it's not slime. It is makeup.
This one thing I get back.
Dad does because he gave you some money. Oh, yeah. Throw that on up there.
Here's the.
Give it to Dad. I need to buy that. Because I have some kids I need to hand that to once in a while. I found an even better one. Ferocious. I could use that once in a while. for you guys.
Mom, you should just keep
When you
them in
guys-
like a drawer in your room and just be like, you could use this right now.
Like when you wake up in the morning.
I'm sorry, you sing to me and it's annoying.
You don't like my singing?
No, you sing everything. You like, wake up. And you start singing stuff and it's annoying.
She sings now. Sing. Is Mama in there?
No,
Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and film them real quick.
they're hungry.
There's the babies. How many?
The ones downstairs, Mom,
Did
they're
they
so
all
big.
hatch?
Yeah.
I'll have to watch the footage in a minute. Oh, Mom, Caleb. Yep. Oh, Mama's getting nervous. Let's get away.
Yeah, they need it.
Oh, Mama wants us away from her babies. Look at her. She's like, get away. We have Subway for dinner. Yes. Oh, there she is. Oh, oh, oh. We fed her outside because it's so nice and warm out here. She's done. She's done eating.
Okay, so we're currently FaceTiming Mia on my phone and we're playing with slime and she's making slime. And then we're gonna try. Yeah, she's adding weird things to her slime that like you would never add to your slime. And we're gonna try all these, well, just a couple different kinds of Oreos. These are the red velvet ones. And then what are these?
Peanut butter.
Ones. And
Cinnamon bun.
cinnamon roll. It's like a cinnamon roll. Okay. So we're still virtually trying these cookies with Mia. And we're gonna try these red velvet ones first because they're just right here.
Let me try them. Let me open them. Wait, no, we're gonna
They're hard to open.
we're not gonna have these.
You can open those other ones while I try and open them.
Okay, I'll open these.
Okay. Hold on. Okay, grab one. So hard to get out.
I can get them out.
Oh, you did. Okay. Storm, grab one.
They smell.
The actual cookie part is like red. It's like a really dark red. Oh, did you already try it?
Yeah.
Are you good? It's pretty good.
Not the best, but it's okay. Yeah, a little bad.
Not the best. Okay, next.
You should probably sit down because if you eat too much, you'll probably get suffocated.
Okay. Here, take a bite, Mia.
Red velvet.
Okay. So, now we'll do the peanut butter ones. See what these taste like. Why are Oreos so hard to open sometimes? Oh wow, they smell they smell like peanut butter but kind of weird. And so I'm taking one of these. And these, like the cookie just looks like normal Oreo, but it's like brown. The frosting part or whatever.
Let me try one.
It just tastes like when you dip your normal Oreos in peanut butter.
It tastes like those one things are shaped like a nut.
Oh, like Nutter Butter?
Yeah, they taste like those.
Makes sense. Or like concealing stuff.
Next is cinnamon bun. Here's something like that.
Okay, get one out. Whoa, it looks like. Just grab one. These smell like a cinnamon roll. Here, Mia, take a bite.
Here's what they look like.
Cinnamon.
They're like, there's like a few dots on it. It looks like vanilla Oreo.
It says cinnamon cookies, so the cookie is cinnamon.
Yeah.
It's okay. It tastes good.
But that's called cinnamon bun.
Yeah, maybe. It's good. I think the frosting might be flavored too, though.
Sure. Wait, I'll try it.
No. Okay. But it tastes good.
The frosting
You want to
doesn't.
try these Oreos?
The only reason the frosting tastes a little bit different It's
Here.
because it has
It's a cinnamon bun.
the real cookie part.
Okay,
It's
let me set it down. You can eat the rest later.
cinnamon, so
Here's Steel over
it has
here.
the taste and
But
just
Storm is stacking. Okay. All right, now Steel, try this one. It is peanut butter.
Okay. Ah, this one is
And this one is red velvet.
Okay.
Now tell us which ones you like and if you thought they're good. So you don't like the peanut butter?
Well, I like it kind of.
Oh, so he likes the red velvet and the cinnamon bun the most, but he doesn't like the peanut butter one that much.
I like this one and that one the much, but not that one.
Oh, but you just told me you didn't like the peanut butter one that much. So he likes the peanut butter and the red velvet ones the most. And the cinnamon bun one is just okay. Right? Scout, what do you think? Are they all good? Yeah, Scout, I think she's going in for second.
Subscribe and start with us.